So students, today we will discuss about the agricultural application of biotechnology. Mean that in agriculture field how we use biotechnology. Okay. So in this first I'll tell you about BT cotton. If you see this diagram, this is the structure of or picture of, we can say, cotton plant. Okay, so BT cotton is especially work on cotton plant. From the name it is clear what it stand for. BT means Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, Bacillus thuringiensis. So Bacillus thuringiensis, one bacteria, produce one protein. Okay, and this protein is very useful to kill certain insects. Certain insects like tobacco budworm or beetle or different flies also. Okay, so they all insects belong to different categories. We know it very well because in previous year also we read these insects in orthopoda. Okay, so lepidopterans, tobacco budworm or armyworm belong to lepidopterans. Coleopterans means beetles. I think you all have seen beetles. They belong to coleopterans. Okay, and dipterans, flies, mosquito, they belong to dipterans. So this particular protein which is secreted by bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis especially kill these insects. Okay, this protein, now protein is in form of crystals. Okay, so that's why this protein, especially this crystal, contain a toxic protein. As I told you, this crystal, वो crystal को बनाने वाला एक gene है. Okay, so that's why protein को secrete करने वाला one gene, and this gene is known as the cry gene. Beta, if cry is written in italic, it means that it is gene, or if it is underlined it means gene, or if simply cry written means cry protein. तो cry gene से क्या secret होता है? Cry protein. Okay, and this protein is toxic for different insects. Okay children, so what happened earlier that in cotton plant the cotton ball it effect or destroyed by bollworm. ओके, बॉल वॉर्म क्या करता था? कॉटन के जो कॉटन बॉल होती है उस हिस्से को खराब कर देता था. ओके, सो फॉर दिस जीन इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक. वी नो क्राई जीन से क्या सीक्रेट हुआ? क्राई प्रोटीन, एंड दिस प्रोटीन इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल टू किल दैट पर्टिकुलर इंसेक्ट. सो बीटी टॉक्सिन जीन firstly isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis, then it just incorporated into the crop plant. Okay, like crop plant cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis से वो जीन को आइसोलेट किया और उस जीन को कहाँ डाल दिया? कॉटन के प्लांट के अंदर. Okay, so then what happened when this insect की larva stage. Okay, when this larva, you know different stages are there in insect: egg, larva, pupa, then adult. Okay, so the in larva stage it start to cut. When it cuts its stem of plant, that time when this larva suck secretion from plant, वो प्लांट के सीक्रेशन के साथ उसकी बॉडी में कौन चला गया? क्राई जीन. ओके, एंड दिस जीन एज आई टोल्ड यू इज़ वेरी डेंजरस चिल्ड्रन. एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स? सपोज दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कैटरपिलर की एपिथेलियल वॉल. ओके, सो व्हाट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्राई प्रोटीन डू? ये क्राई प्रोटीन क्या करता है? इसकी लेयर्स को परफोरेटेड कर देता है. ओके, परफोरेटेड करना मीन्स make hole in it. Okay, so because of if epithelial is totally affected, so that time this larva gets to be dead. Okay, so larva killed by particular protein, and protein is introduced by genetic engineering method or biotechnological method. Okay, so this is the one way by which we can use and we can make insect resistant plant. Okay, their number of them are also, number of genes are also discovered, by which we can kill different kind of pathogens. Okay, so like cry1 AC and cry2 AB, it especially work on cotton ball worm. Okay, cotton in which areas grow? Hot areas. So cotton ball worm, okay, feel hotness, that's why cry1 AC is good and cry2 AB is good to kill them. Okay, so next one also, cry first AB, it control corn borer. So you have to corn borer. Okay, corn means मक्के के प्लांट को जो इफेक्ट करे. So we can use this method to control destroy our particular crop. Okay, so it's about the cotton. Now next one is of tobacco. Okay, pest resistant plant. In this we will read about one nematode, and this nematode name is Maledogyne or incognita. Maledogyne incognita. Okay, this is one nematode. What this nematode do? This nematode infect the root of tobacco plant and reduce the great production or great yield of tobacco. Are you getting my point? तो ये Maledogyne क्या करता है बेटा? रूट को इफेक्ट करता है टोबैको की. So one new technique we use to stop or to make pest resistant plant is of RNA interference. ये RNA interference एक method है which is known as RNA. I can denote it in form of RNAi. Okay, so this RNAi takes place in all eukaryotic organism as a cellular defense method. Okay, and this method is also known as the silencing method. क्या साइलेंस करना? mRNA को साइलेंस करना. You know very well there is a one method. mRNA से क्या बनता है बेटा? Ultimately protein. Okay, and these proteins are also called enzymes and so on, and each and everywhere proteins are required. So ultimately DNA से क्या बनता है? mRNA, and by this mRNA protein synthesis takes place. We already know all the steps, we had read, हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Okay, so here why I am telling you this thing, because what happened in agrobacterium vector is having one kind of double stranded RNA. Okay, and this double stranded RNA, firstly we have to understand why we are using this thing. Okay, this nematode को अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए एक प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत होती है. Okay, and this protein is secreted by gene. Clear? One gene means mRNA, then protein. For growth of Maledogyne, this protein is very essential. So now the second thing, inside the bacteria, agrobacterium, one type of gene is present which produce double stranded RNA. So this double stranded RNA only we use to silent this gene. Clear? How? Now we will discuss it. Okay, this is a nematode. nematode की बॉडी में बेटा एक जीन, और जीन से सीक्रेट हो रहा है प्रोटीन with the help of mRNA. Okay, now बैक्टीरिया से हमने निकाल दिया डबल स्टैंडर्ड RNA. Firstly we introduce this double stranded RNA inside the tobacco plant. Clear? अब इस nematode ने जब इस plant को खाना शुरू किया, so that time this double stranded RNA moves inside the body of nematode. Clear? Now the next step, inside the nematode his own gene is also present which required for the synthesis of mRNA, and from this protein secretes, and this protein is responsible for growth of nematode. Now due to the double stranded RNA, which is present because nematode has sucked the material of plant. So this double stranded RNA is used to stop this mRNA and its functioning. mRNA कैसा होता है बता, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड, एंड दिस डबल स्ट्रैंडेड RNA इज इन दिस शेप. सो ये डबल स्ट्रैंडेड RNA यहाँ आके जुड़ गया. ओके, वाई इट इज़ अटैचिंग, बिकॉज यू नो mRNA इज़ अ वन टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड, और टेम्पलेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हमारे पास यहाँ पर मौजूद है. Okay, so that's why attach with it, and it silent the functioning of this mRNA. अब प्रोटीन ही सीक्रेट नहीं होगा तो ये निमेटोड मर जाएगा. Okay, so this is the mechanism by which we can use RNA interference method, and basically it silence the functioning of specific mRNA. That's why RNA interference method is very important and known as the RNA silencing. Okay children, I hope that much is clear. If you have any query regarding this, please send me. Thank you.